David Yambio, a 27-year-old Italian-based human rights activist and president/co-founder of Refugees in Libya, has played a pivotal role in assisting the International Criminal Court, ICC, in uncovering evidence of detainee abuse within Libyan prisons. His activism is deeply rooted in his personal experience as an alleged victim of abuse perpetrated by Osama Najm, a Libyan police chief wanted by the ICC for heinous war crime. Yambio endured this ordeal during his incarceration at the infamous Mitiga prison near Tripoli, a harrowing experience that fueled his unwavering commitment to justice and accountability. Yambio's outspoken criticism of the Italian government's controversial migrant pact with Libya and its subsequent decision to release Najm, a decision that has drawn significant international condemnation, has placed him squarely at the heart of a complex geopolitical and human. The repatriation of Najm to Tripoli aboard an Italian military aircraft, a move justified by Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni as a necessary measure to mitigate perceived national security risks, has sparked a formal investigation by Roman prosecutors. Meloni's explanation, however, has failed to quell widespread skepticism and concerns regarding the Italian government's handling of the situation and its potential complicity in human rights violations. Further intensifying the situation, Yambio's case is intertwined with a broader wave of alleged spyware attacks targeting journalists, activists, and other individuals critical of Italy's Libya policy. In late January, approximately 90 people, including an Italian investigative journalist and 2 activists, received WhatsApp notifications indicating they were targets of sophisticated spyware. WhatsApp's investigations have implicated Paragon Solutions, an Israeli-based cyberweapons company, as the source of this spyware. The Guardian newspaper reported that Paragon subsequently severed its contract with Italy due to alleged violations of its terms of service, which explicitly prohibit the targeting of journalists and activists. While Paragon has maintained a zero-tolerance policy for such breaches, it has refrained from directly commenting on the specifics. The Italian Prime Minister's office has vehemently denied any government involvement or complicity in these alleged spyware attacks. Significantly, Yambio, although not among the 90 individuals initially alerted by WhatsApp, suspected he had also been a target of surveillance. He proactively sought assistance from a digital security expert at Cyber Hub AM in Armenia, who facilitated his connection with Citizen Lab at the University of Toronto. Citizen Lab, a renowned organization specializing in tracking digital threats against civil society, played a critical role in assisting WhatsApp in its investigation and in confirming the spyware's origins and the scope of its deployment. Notably, 7 of the alleged targets reside within Italy itself. This highlights a disturbing pattern of potential state-sponsored surveillance targeting individuals, actively challenging official narratives, and exposing human rights abuses. Yambio's unwavering determination to expose the truth has directly assisted the ICC in its efforts to gather evidence of crimes against humanity. His personal experience, coupled with his diligent work in documenting and exposing abuses, underscores the vital role played by courageous individuals in holding powerful actors accountable. His collaboration with international organizations like Citizen Lab and his willingness to speak out against powerful political figures demonstrate the importance of international collaboration in addressing human rights violations and promoting accountability within the global community. The ongoing investigation, combined with the exposure of alleged state-sponsored spyware attacks, serves as a stark reminder of the dangers faced by those who dare to challenge established power structures and expose human rights abuses. The situation remains deeply concerning, demanding further investigation and a commitment from all parties involved to uphold the principles of human rights and the rule of law. The complexities of the case, involving allegations of war crimes, spyware deployment, and potential government complicity, necessitate a thorough and transparent investigation to ensure justice for the victims and to prevent future abuses. The implications of this case extend far beyond the immediate circumstances, raising critical questions about the role of technology in suppressing dissent, the limits of national sovereignty in the face of international human rights law, and the responsibility of governments to protect vulnerable populations from human rights violations, regardless of their nationality or status.